organization has many software applications that are essential to your daily operations. Whether it's a business ERP or email client, OnBase complements these systems to give your employees a complete view of information from that familiar interface. Today, we'll show just 2 examples. First, let's see how OnBase integrates with an ERP from the perspective of an employee in accounts payable. When a vendor calls looking for a payment, I can immediately see all of the documents associated with the invoice record. I know that a check has not yet been issued. When I pull up the invoice, I notice that it's been marked as an exception due to an account mismatch. Comparing the invoice against the purchase order, it's clear that they shipped 1 video card too many. The vendor offers to initiate a return. But in the meantime, I can process their payment faster by requesting a partial pay. With a mouse click, my pre-filled form is ready to kick off an approval process. OnBase not only connects the documents to the transaction, as we just saw, it also seamlessly manages portions of the process that occur outside of the business application. Let's look at the next step of this process as an employee who spends the majority of their day in Microsoft Outlook. The email notification for the partial payment request arrives, and I have everything I need to make a decision right from the message itself. I can review the original invoice still stored in OnBase and any notes that have been added since. I can also reference related documents and immediately approve the request. Invoices come from a variety of sources, and in this case, an invoice has been emailed to me directly. I'd like to import it into OnBase to initiate the payment process. Leveraging the Outlook folder structure, all I have to do is drag and drop the message to my AP invoice folder, and I get the OnBase upload panel. Message-specific information has been automatically captured, and if needed, I can enter additional data about the email and attachment. As a result, the fully indexed invoice enters OnBase workflow. Now I have a question about a product that I ordered. I know the name of the product, but I can't quite remember which vendor I ordered it from. I enter the word or phrase into a simple OnBase search box and retrieve documents that contain that very specific text. It doesn't matter where the term is on the document because every word is searchable, and my result is highlighted so I can easily see it's the information I need. These 2 examples illustrate how OnBase can complement all your existing systems, whether it's an ERP, Outlook, or countless others, giving both you and your employees a complete view of the right information from whatever application you're working in. Find out more about all the things OnBase can do for you on onbase.com.